Hey Divi Nation, thanks for joining us for this year's Cyber Monday sale. This is our biggest sale of the year and the one and only time we offer 25% off both new memberships and account upgrades. It's the perfect time to become a new member or to finally take the leap and upgrade your existing account to a lifetime membership. And because this is such a special occasion, we've gone above and beyond to make sure becoming an Elegant Themes member is the best investment you make all year. In addition to getting our biggest discount of all time on Divi itself, you'll also gain access to our Cyber Monday perks page in the Elegant Themes members area. Here you will find even more amazing Cyber Monday deals from our 25 Cyber Monday partners with the highest percentage off deals they're offering this year. And as if all that were not enough, our design team has created exclusive thank you gifts in the form of landing page layouts, Divi theme builder template packs, a WooCommerce product layout pack, and custom Divi headers and footers, all available instantly after purchase and 100% free. To get in on all this Divi amazingness, go to elegantthemes.com/cybermonday or click the link in the video description and become a new member or upgrade your account today. If you are already a lifetime member, feel free to go straight to your members area perks page and enjoy our thank you gifts and partner discounts. In this video, we'll be highlighting our Cyber Monday WooCommerce product page layout pack. We'll show you how to download it and use it on your own Divi website today. So let's get started. The product page layout pack download can be found in your members area. To access the downloads, you must first log into the members area with the username and password created when you signed up as a member. Once you are logged in, click the link in the members area menu called Cyber Monday Perks. Then scroll down to the product page layout pack and click the download the pack button. Once the zip file has been downloaded, unzip it and then open the folder. Here you will see a total of 17 JSON files included. 16 of the files can be used to import each of the product layouts individually. One of the files called allproductpagelayouts.json can be used to import the entire product layout pack to your Divi library at once. Let's learn how to do that. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi Library. Then click the Import and Export button at the top, switch over to the Import tab and choose the file. I will be selecting the allproductpagelayouts.json file, but if you want, you could select one of the individual layouts. Now go ahead and click the Import button. Now that we have all 16 product layouts in the Divi library, you can easily add them to any product on your store. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Products, All Products. Once there, hover over a product that you want to add the new layout to and click the Edit link. Then click the Use the Divi Builder button, and under Divi Page Settings, choose a full width page layout so that the layout will span the full width of the page. Then click Build on the front end. At the bottom of the page, we're going to press the plus icon, which is the Load from Library button. Now switch over to the Your Saved Layouts tab. Now we see a list of all the product layouts that we imported into the Divi library, and all we have to do is choose the product layout we want to use. So I'll select number 1. And just like that, we now have a brand new layout for our product. Be sure to click the Save button and you're good to go. If you want to apply one of the product layouts to all of your products site-wide, you'll need to use the product layout in a new theme builder template. Here's how to do it. From the WordPress dashboard, navigate to Divi Theme Builder, then click Add New Template. Now scroll down and select All Products, then click Create Template. Now click on Add Custom Body and Add from Library. Just like before, go to Your Saved Layouts and select the one you want to use site-wide. Be sure to click Save Changes, and just like that, you have a completely new product template for all of your products. In order to make changes to the product layout, simply click on the pencil icon. Now you could edit whatever you would like, then just save your changes and it will affect every product on your site. download all 16 product page layouts right now by clicking the link in the description. Well, that's all for this video. Thanks for tuning in. We hope that you are enjoying our 2020 Cyber Monday deal and all the special prizes, bonus deals, and freebies that come with it. If you haven't taken advantage of it yet, don't wait. This deal won't last long and it'll be a whole year before anything this good comes around again. Go to elegantthemes.com/Cyber Monday and become a new member or upgrade your account today. To make it even easier, we've put the link in the video description. Don't miss out. It really is the best investment you can make for your website this year. Thanks again, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.